Good evening. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, good evening.
Okay, let's start. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Rani. I am from Indore. I completed my post graduation from DMD and currently I am working in Damco Solutions as an data processor where I am working on CRM tool and now I'm I'm joining in Salesforce.
Okay. What is Salesforce?
Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform where company has to manage sales, service, and business operations. Which is founded in 1999 by Mark Benioff.
Okay. Uh, who founded Salesforce and when?
Mark Benioff was founded in 1999.
What is CRM?
CRM is a customer relationship management where company used to store customer data.
Okay. And what are the main function of CRM?
Uh, CRM helps to increase sales and store customer interactivity and help to improve customer relationship and increase business and data should be secure.
Okay. What is cloud computing?
Uh, cloud computing is a computing that accessing data over the internet instead of your computer. There are three types of cloud computing: SaaS, PaaS, and LaaS.
Okay. What are the three types of cloud service? Cloud services.
Uh, First is the software as a service. That is a cloud where software applications are accessed over the internet instead of installing in your computer. And second one is LaaS.
Okay.
LaaS is a defines the infrastructure as a service that that uh, so, that installs servers, virtual servers, and infrastructures. And PaaS is a platform as a service where developer can deploy and test their applications.
Give example of SaaS application.
Says Google Google Cloud.
Gmail is a SaaS application. Gmail, Zoom.
Yeah, is a SaaS application.
Okay. What is platform as a service?
Platform as a service where the developers can deploy and build their applications without managing hardware.
For example, what is infrastructure as a service?
Infrastructure as a service defines
Yes. What is
uh,
infrastructure as a service?
It is a virtual servers and infrastructure defined tool.
Microsoft Azure is a infrastructure as a service या platform as a service?
It is an infrastructure as a service.
Okay. What is an object in Salesforce?
A object in Salesforce is a database in table. There are two types of object, that is custom object and standard object.
What is the difference between a standard and custom object?
Standard object uh, is available in Salesforce or and custom object is created as per the business needs. And standard object cannot be deleted and custom object can be deleted.
Uh, okay. How can you identify a custom object?
Custom object like for example we create a custom object, then student dash c is coming, that is custom object.
Can we delete a standard object?
No, we cannot be deleted as standard object.
Can we delete custom objects?
Yes, we can delete custom object.
What are the difference between a standard and custom objects?
uh, Standard objects are available in every org and custom object can be created as per the business needs. So standard object cannot be deleted because it is inbuilt in Salesforce, and custom object can be deleted because it is not inbuilt in Salesforce.
If you were working in a school
Account.
management, okay.
Okay,
Uh,
sorry.
i- if you are working in a school management system, which type of object would you create for a student detail?
Uh, First we have to create a object, custom object, that is a student name.
Okay. A student is not a standard object in Salesforce.
No, it is not a standard object in Salesforce because we have to create it. It is not available in our Salesforce for
Okay. What is B2B? Business to business.
B2B means a company selling a product that to company.
For example,
For example, Salesforce CRM tool is using by TCS, Amazon, Cognizant.
okay. And B2C, what is
They are
B2C?
company to company selling product.
Okay.
B2C is a business
Business
to
to,
customer,
hmm.
that a company is selling directly to customers,
For example,
like Misho, Amazon. They are directly selling product to the customer.
okay. What single tenant architecture?
Single tenant means it is dedicated to one customer, and multi-tenant is defined the multiple customers where multiple customers share the same system, but data should be secure.
What is Salesforce edition?
Salesforce addition uh, is the Salesforce type where company decide the limits and price for a company. That decide the features, limits, and price for a company.
Okay.
It is free. Developer can test.
What is page layout in Salesforce?
Page layout controls how fields, relationships, uh, buttons are appear on the record page for users.
What is user in Salesforce?
A user in Salesforce can have login access, uh, like name, password, profile, role, data.
What is role in Salesforce?
A role defines what a user can what a user can uh, see. Role is not
Okay.
mandatory in Salesforce.
What is the purpose of role in Salesforce?
Uh, Role show the performance of a user, which record can the user see.
What is profile in Salesforce?
Uh, Profile defines what a user can do in Salesforce. It is a mandatory in Salesforce.
What is the difference between profile and role?
Uh, Profile defines what a user can do and have access, and role decide what a user can see the records. And profile is mandatory in Salesforce, and role is not mandatory in Salesforce.
What is the difference between freeze and deactivate in user?
Sorry,
What is the difference between freeze and deactivate in user?
uh, freeze defines
Yes.
uh, freeze stop the temporary login of users and does not freeze the license. And deactivate means disable permanently disabled the user license and freeze that license.
What is the relationship in Salesforce?
A relationship is a connection between two objects in Salesforce.
For example,
For example, account, contact, they are two objects and they have relationship.
which type of relationship? Account and contact में किस type का relationship है?
That is the lookup relationship.
Are you sure?
No, I am not sure.
What is lookup relationship in Salesforce?
Lookup relationship is a relationship between two objects that has the parent-child relationship, loose parent-child relationship. For example, if parents cannot access, but child can be accessed. If yeah,
What is master detail relationship in Salesforce?
master detail relationship defines the strong parent-child relationship. If the parent is deleted, then child also deleted.
What is company profile in Salesforce?
Company profile defines the company information. full information of company like currency, time, that's it.
What is fiscal year in Salesforce? Fiscal year.
Fiscal year is the financial year structured by company for accounting and reporting.
What are business hours in Salesforce?
Business are the working hours in Salesforce.
What are holiday in Salesforce?
Holiday are the non-working hours in Salesforce.
What are language setting in Salesforce?
Language setting in Salesforce is the language uh, language set in user Salesforce user interface.
What are multi-currency management in Salesforce? Currency set.
Multi-currency management, multi-currencies setting have a multiple currency in Salesforce or
For example,
for example US dollar, Indian currency.
what are default setting in Salesforce? Default setting क्या होता है Salesforce में?
Default settings in Salesforce define the default configuration in Salesforce like currency, time, date, that.
What are user license type in Salesforce?
User license type that the user can edit, see.
What is profile in Salesforce?
A profile controls what the user can do, what a user can do in Salesforce.
What is permission set in Salesforce? Permission set क्या होता है?
Permission set defines the permission set is give extra permission to users.
Why do we use permission set? परमिशन सेट हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? What is permission set group in Salesforce?
A permission set group is a collection of multiple permission sets together.
What are login access policy in Salesforce?
Login access policy control how user can log in the Salesforce.
What are password policy in Salesforce?
Password policy define user define rules for user password
Why do we use password policy?
for uh, security and to make password strong.
What are
It should be
session
minimum
setting?
8 characters.
What are session setting? सेशन सेटिंग क्या होता है सेल्सफोर्स में?
Uh, means to we use them to protect the data from unauthorized access.
What is what
How
is
long a
daily?
user stays.
Okay. What is delegated administration in Salesforce?
Delegated administration allows selected users to manage users and settings without giving the full system admin access.
What is field level security?
Field level security controls which user can see, edit, or hide of a specific uh, field. For example, salary field is visible only to HR,
What are
hidden
record?
from sales.
Okay. What are record type in Salesforce?
Record type allows you to define different business process, pick list, and page layout for same object.
What is page layouts in Salesforce?
Page layout controls that how fields, buttons, and related is appear on record page for users.
What is a schema builder?
Schema Builder is a visual tool to view and create object fields and relationships.
What is lookup relationship in Salesforce?
Lookup relationship is a relationship have loose parent-child relationship that is called lookup relationship. If the parent deleted, but child can be accessed.
What is a report?
Uh, report report used by company to analyze business data and show data in simple table format, analyze data from object like leads, opportunity, accounts.
What is tabular report?
Tableau report show data in simple table format, row and column.
What is summary report?
Summary report groups data by specified field to
Okay.
calculate total, sum, count, average.
Or what is matrix report?
Matrix report group data by rows and columns to compare data into two directions.
What is report type?
Report type is a type of report that have different business process for same object.
Okay. What is dashboard?
Uh, dashboard dashboard show the graph of in dashboard we have to see the graph of dashboards like pie chart, donut chart, line bar.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Rani. Thanks for joining.
Welcome.